Meaning of egg timer.
Egg timer.
Egg timer.
Egg timer.
Egg timer. An egg timer is a device used to measure the time it takes to cook an egg to a desired level of doneness. It typically consists of a small glass or plastic container filled with sand that runs through a narrow channel, measuring a set amount of time. Once the sand has completely run out, the egg is considered cooked to the desired level, such as soft-boiled or hard-boiled. The egg timer allows for consistent and accurate cooking times without the need for constantly monitoring the clock.